Grady Bunch. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm back with a highlight and contour video. This video was highly requested on my Instagram. So I'm going to do that video. As you can see, my eyebrows and my eyes already done. I'm just going to jump right into this video. I'm just going to show you guys how I apply my foundation, what I use, and of course how to contour and highlight. So yeah, if you guys see me looking this way to the right, it's because my mirror is right here. So yeah, you see me going this way, then that's why I'm looking into my mirror. But we're just gonna jump into this video. Please don't mind the noise in the background. I'm going to be playing my music and it's going to be noise in the background. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is my NYX Total Control foundation, as well as my AOA Studio foundation from Shop Miss A. This foundation is amazing. It's a little too dark, but right now in the fall and all this stuff, this actually matched me perfect, but I still like to mix it with the NYX Total Control. So I'm going to mix these two foundations together. Ooh, that was too much, so yeah, I'm not even going to add much on that side. And when I say these foundation goes a long way, like, you do not need a lot, and clearly I'm putting on a lot. Okay, so the brush I'm going to be using is the AO Studio high def brush. It's the F3 brush, and this is also from Shop Miss A. I'm going to go in and highlight. You want to take a highlight shade, but it all depends on you. Sometimes I like to go with something that's neutral and close to my skin tone, but you want to go for something bright. So I'm going to be using my Pro Concealer by Isme, and this is in the color Soft. And I found this on IK House. This was like $1. And I'm also going to be mixing this with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in C12. So I'm just going to go in with this one first, and I'm just going to highlight under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, okay, my chin right here, and my forehead. So to blend this out, I'm going to be using my sponge, and this is damp. Like, yes, it's nice and damp. This is the, I keep forgetting what brand, but I got it from Target. I can't get that brand out. Sony Cassia. This is Sony Cassia sponge. So pretty. So I'm going to be using this to blend the highlighted concealer out. Concealer out under your eye, you want to kind of like look up so you can get under there so it won't crease. Also, when I blend my concealer out, I don't like to drag it all the way out here. I like to kind of like stop it like right here and bring it down from like to here. So now we're going to move on to contour. And to contour, you want to take a shade that's like 2 tones darker than you. Usually I like to take something that's kind of close to me, like when I'm wanting to do a light bronze, because you guys know I don't really like contouring that much, but now I'm getting back into it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the dark shade. So I'm going to be using dark cocoa, and this is the LA Girl Pro. And I'm just gonna take and squeeze. Now you don't want to use a lot. Now you don't need a lot of this, and you just want to take it like right here under your cheekbone, and you don't need a lot. Like, that's good. So to blend this out, I like to use my Morphe stippling brush, and this is the M4. This is the M436 brush, and I'm just gonna spray it to get it moist so it can really blend out nice. Swirl in circles using this, and I like to, you know, make the little kissy face while doing this. And I also like to drag it up to like the center of my forehead. Just like that. So now you can see it kind of look like it's muddy and just all over the place. Well, that's where you come in and fix it. I'm gonna go back in with my SC concealer, and I'm just gonna clean that up. So basically, like, you can cut off how much you want to, and I'm just gonna do the same on that side. Going back in with my blender. Now to set my under eye area, well, wherever I had highlighted, I like to use all different types of powder. But for this purpose, I mean, not for this purpose, for this video, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in Fair Light, and I'm also going to be mixing this with my Derma Blend. This is Bay right here. This is Bay, and this is in Warm Saffron. So I'm just going to mix these two together. So I'm going to be switching sponge. This is also damp. I love using it while it's damp to set my face as well, because it just soaks and melts it on there. This is the Morphe sponge. So I'm just gonna dip that into the powder. Look up a little. And I'm just presetting before I actually bake. And I like to set, like I said, right here where I had run down the concealer, because when I smile, I always get those smile lines. So I'm just going to set right there. Okay. So now I'm just going to go in with the Maybelline powder by itself to further bake under my eyes. to set my contour, I'm using my True Complexion Contour Palette. And this is by Black Radiance. And this is the medium to dark. I love this palette, as you can see. And I'm just going to take my Coastal Scents brush. And this is the angle brush. And this is his, this shit. This is the CS25 angle brush. So I'm just going to take this brush, and I actually love mixing the scope color with the contour. So that's what I'm going to do. So y'all better be watching, enjoying, learning, comment, subscribe, like, all of that stuff, share. Okay, so while that has set now, this is good enough for baking, you know, 3 to 5 minutes. Yes, 35 minutes I said, because it really like soaks into your concealer. It's just amazing. So next, I like to take my LA Girl Pro Face powder. And this is in the color Warm Caramel. Take this, and I like to use my Real Technique brush. This is the 300 brush, and I'm just going to take this, dip this into the powder, and set and sweep away the rest of the baking powder. And there we have it. So I'm just going to go ahead off camera and finish up my face and come back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So this is how I highlight and contour. I just went on and I added some blush, some highlighter. The highlighter I used was from Shop Miss A. I love this highlighter, and this is in Snap. The blush I love using, the only blush I'll be using, is Smashbox. This is in Ginger Snap. Just looks like this. And I just added some gloss on my lips. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all, I am glowing. Oh, by the way, I dyed my hair.